Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video, guess who we got?
Hello.
In this video, we are going to unbox what I got for Joshua. It's a surprise gift. So, let's open it. There we go. Alright, wrap it out. Okay, open it. Let's see what this thing is.
Let me make a guess first. A mini drill. Like supplies so I can build stuff.
You obviously see the picture in there. Just make a little hole from the top, like right here. Joshua don't know how to use knife. Alright. Put your knife somewhere else, not too close. There you go. Okay, do the other way around. So you want to this way. Check it out.
Wow.
And look what's in there.
Mini drill. Knew it.
Grab it and see. Yay, you got your own drill now.
Now I only need to trailer.
Yep, you're just gonna charge. That is super cool. And it comes with all this other thing that you need. Come with hammer. Even a tape, bro. This is a 10 feet.
Oh wow.
And here's the Allen key. They belong here, if I'm not mistaken. Probably no. And where was the other one? This also goes here.
Where do these go?
Probably stuck somewhere here.
No, I think I know. Maybe like this. Yeah, it's like that.
Yep, 3 of them. See, you weak. This is a box cutter. That is not bad, actually.
How much money was it for?
I think this was like $40.
That's not that much.
Yep.
This whole box of supplies. The owner just scammed the owner.
I do hope, like I do wish these things are a little bit more stir. Let's see. Oh, okay, now that makes sense. Because once you open and close, they keep on wanting to come off. So I'll just have to make sure this thing is clicking. There you go. Put the charger back, or you may want to go ahead and start charging, so when we're building something you can use it. Are you able to use it like right now? Let's see.
No, I tested it. Oh wait, what?
It actually worked, y'all. Super fast too.
Let me see. Oh, battery thingies, I think.
Yep, the battery indicator. You gotta press this.
Oh. This is off.
Yep, if you put it in the middle, it's off. But if you push it all the way to the other side, and it's like letting it loose. It works. Let's look at the tape. What numbers do they have? Oh,
think they have a lot in numbers.
This is not bad. This is almost as the same as the one that I have. Some cool stuff.
What are these for?
You'll know. Later, you will know.
I wonder what this thing is. Oh, box cutter.
You don't need it for now. You don't need it.
There's something to put right there. Is it these?
You could just put it like this. So, here. You let it loose, right? You hold this,
Wait, what?
and then give me this.
Oh wow.
Put it in here. Close a little bit more. There you go. And then back in. There you go. I wonder, how do you change numbers? Oh, it's just one level. Maybe.
What the?
Y'all, this is just...
I wonder if it can
Be
go
careful
through
your
this.
hand.
Oh wow. Goes straight through the thing.
Yep, you got it.
That's how strong it is.
So you move back to the let it loose, you hold this, and you just pulled it out, put this back. You can also use the longer one, which is right here.
Oh, there are longer ones?
Here. But you don't need it right now though.
I'm gonna say, I don't know, give me 10. Open it. Open.
And you push this down, right? Go ahead. There you go.
Let's see. Oh! It's cutting through.
All right, take it out. Let's put it back. And once we finally have a project, then, so you'll have to push all the way in. Hold this tip. And then you gotta hold it hard. There you go. Now take it out. Put that back in here. Because you've gotta learn to organize, because this thing will disappear out of nowhere. So you'll put it back there.
How will it disappear out of nowhere?
I don't know. That's how tools disappear, even for me. They keep on disappearing
How
for
do you
no
turn this
reason. You just put it in the middle.
Yep, in the middle.
Yep, you're done. What you do is you put the charger in here. You close this. And let me make sure these things are not coming up.
Oh, it's
Okay.
another box cutter.
Ready?
They have like 2
And
box
we'll
cutters.
close this. Click it. This is nice. You happy?
Yep.
Where are you gonna put it?
I don't know.
Alright, go organize it then. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Joshua finally have a toolbox.
Yep.
And he should be able to help me build other stuff. Bye.